Okay, next question is, what's the name of first masjid of Islam? You have four options. Okay, guess. MashaAllah, very good, very good. It's Masjid Quba. How many daily prayers are there? Tell me. Yes, five prayers. Very good. Who is Ahmadi community? Muslim, non-Muslim, or none of these options? Very good, very good. These are non-Muslim. Next question is, on which month Muslim perform Hajj? Ramazan, Rajab, Zilqada, or Zilhajjah? Very good. It's Zilhajjah because you already know that Zilhajjah is the same name of this question. That's why maybe you guessed, right? Okay. Next, the founder of Ahmadi community, Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, was. Tell me. Yes, very good. He was biggest liar. Okay, next question is, at what age was the first revelation revealed to the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? You had prepared the test, so guess this answer. Very good, very good. At 40 years old. Okay, next question is, what's the name of first Khalifa of Islam? Come on, quickly. Very nice, very nice. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu anhu. Okay, next question is, how many Islamic months are there? Very good. Next, how many surahs in Holy Quran? Yes, very good. What's the name of that companion of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that his name mentioned in Holy Quran? Yes, mashallah, very good. Correct answer. Hazrat Zaid bin Harisa radiyallahu anhu. Okay, next question is, what's the name of last prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Very good, very good. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Is it possible to come new prophet after Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? MashaAllah, very good. The answer is never.